Welcome to lesson 18. In this lesson, we will implement full CRUD operations in ASP.NET WebForms. This is where your application becomes fully functional, allowing users to create, view, update, and delete records. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. These four operations form the foundation of almost every database-driven application. In this lesson, we will implement all four using WebForms. To implement CRUD operations, you need your entity classes, business logic layer, and a database connection class ready. On the UI side, you will use the text boxes, buttons, and a grid view to display and manage data. For the create operation, capture user input from the form, create an entity object, and pass it to the BLL's save method. After saving, refresh the grid view to show the new record. The read operation is handled by the grid view. Bind the grid view to a list of records returned by the BLL. Load the data only when the page loads for the first time by checking is postback. For the update operation, allow users to select a record from the grid view. Populate the form fields with the selected data. Let the user make changes and then call the BLL's update method. To delete a record, allow the user to select it from the grid view. After confirming the action, call the BLL's delete method and refresh the grid view to remove the grid record from the display. Always validate user input before performing CRUD operations. Provide meaningful success or error messages. Refresh the UI after each operation and handle exceptions gracefully to maintain a smooth user experience. In summary, CRUD operations bring your application to life by connecting the UI, BLL, and database. You enable users to manage data efficiently and reliably. If you have questions about implementing CRUD operations or want help with your forms, let us go through them now.